Hey everyone, it's Monique from Raw Blend. Today I'm making a delicious, simple, creamy pumpkin soup. It's very cold here at the moment, so this is just gonna hit the spot. So I'm working with the Vitamix A3500i today. This is Vitamix's top of the line model. It's perfect. It's got a soup pre-programmed function on the front, so I can get all cleaned up, walk away, and it's gonna switch off all by itself. So I'm starting with 1.5 cups of filtered water in my jug here. And I've got 3 cups of pumpkin. So I have steamed this just to give it a richer, more classic flavor, but as long as it works with your gut, you can keep this raw. I've got 1 spring onion. I'm keeping all of the roots on because it's gonna blend it up nice and smooth anyway. May as well get all those extra nutrients. I've got 1 garlic clove, again, keeping the skin on. It's not gonna matter. I've got 1 medjool date. I am gonna take the seed out of this though because it's just a bit too hard for it. I've got 1/2 cup of coconut cream. You can use milk or cream or fresh from the coconut if you like. I am just trying to make it really classic today. I have a cube of Massel stock, so I'm gonna peel it unlike Tommy's joke. I believe all of their range is vegan, so it's all plant-based. So this is a chicken flavor. Whenever it says that, it just means that it's those flavors associated with it. There's no actual animal products in there. Keeping it pretty simple, just got some salt and pepper. Lock it into place. When it clicks, it's all good. So we're gonna use our pre-programmed settings. So I'm gonna hit the soup setting, and that says 5 minutes, 45 seconds. So Vitamix cooks using friction heat. So there's no heating element in there. It's gonna keep all of those other ingredients raw. It's just friction. Amazing. We're all cleaned up in here, ready to try this delicious hot soup. Such a nice texture, so creamy. It is so beautiful. It's so creamy. It's simple, but it's flavorsome. It is such a beautiful winter recipe. I really hope you try it, whatever season it is where you are. Give it a go. Let me know what you think. Happy blending!